So how much does employer branding add to the brand equity for organizations, especially smaller and younger organizations, which are, which have just started, and so CEOs are usually the, brand ambassadors, and they play a very
Correct.
good role in that. But how much do other employees, like across the length and breadth of the organizations, contribute to employer branding?
See, they form a part of a team. If they are bound to the same philosophy of ownership rather than
Mm-hmm.
employership, see, there's a huge difference between companies that employ people and
Yeah,
companies that empower people.
yeah.
So when I said that, the management system has to change to mentorship and not to
Mm-hmm.
management, that is empowerment. What are you doing? You're taking a junior guy and you say, hey, you're damn good at tech. You're much better on the net than I am. So come and help me.
Mm-hmm.
I will give you the
Yeah.
wisdom. You will give me the flexibility and you will give me the non-risk averseness. You tell me what to
Mm-hmm.
do and we'll do it
Mm-hmm.
together. Okay. Now, what happens when you do that to a junior employee? You empower him, na?
Yeah.
वो तो चौड़ा हो जाता है. He thinks that, my God, my manager is taking advice from me on how to take corporate decisions. I am the job.
Yes.
I'm no longer employed. I'm not waiting for my salary. I'm proud to be a part of the team. I'm proud to be a part of the decision making system. The whole decision making system has to go the bottom upwards, not upwards downwards. Why should decisions be restricted only to the senior managers? They're incompetent, or they're ill informed, or they're risk averse. The decisions have to come from bottom upwards, where you ask the juniors, okay, what should we do in times like this? And they give you 100 suggestions. You pick the best five, and you turn around and say,
Okay.
this has come from our workforce. We are very proud of you guys, and we're going to implement this. And you all are going to help us do it because it is from coming from you. Now, see the difference in terms of corporate culture. When a guy looks at something, a PM looks at his logo of his company and say, "ये मेरी company है."
Yeah.
ये नहीं कि मैं इधर नौकरी करता हूँ.
Mm.
There's a huge difference between saying मेरी company है और मैं नौकरी करता हूँ.
Mm.
Can we change that culture? Can we change that culture from नौकरी करना to ownership?
Yes.
And it's very simple. It's not that difficult. It is just a matter of mentorship. A mentor learns more from the mentee than the mentee learns from the mentor. But the mentee gets empowered. And whatever mistakes that he makes, you can correct because they don't cost you an arm and a leg.
Yes.
But the capability to take decisions has to be implemented at a very junior level. We
Yeah.
punish people who make decisions. We reward people who do not make decisions. It has to change.